Hi. Well, today is my birthday, and for my birthday video, I have decided to make some exploding tipped missile darts. And the way I made these was simply by taking a large threaded bolt in combination with 2 hex nuts. Then once I get the 2 hex nuts on the large bolt, I super glue a small screw onto the top of the other, actually on the bottom of the other bolt, so that they're attached as one. Now, the purpose of the hex nuts being on the larger bolt is to give it weight. You're going to want weight, otherwise it won't have enough power to explode. Now, once you get them put together, you're going to have a missile dart that looks like this. Okay? Take a small piece of cardboard, index card, what have you, and cut a slot in one of them and just simply crisscross and super glue those together as well. Now, this one, I've got the exploding cap pretty straight. The other one, I didn't get it as straight as I would like it, so hopefully this one will explode as well. Now, you can throw these at a target directly in front of you, or you can simply just drop them on a hard surface. To make them explode. Try this one. So it's a very cool project. Do not throw these at people or animals or any object or anything that can get hurt or damaged. This is purely for throwing at the ground, throwing at a standard target, and it's a very fun project, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.